handle.
Vic Soto at Pauline Luna nag-Hong Kong kasama sina Danica Soto, Joy, Maru at mag-asawang Nina at Wahoo Soto. Para nga daw ito sa 7th birthday celebration ng anak ni Wahoo at Nina Soto dahil dito nga nag-request sa Disneyland Hong Kong ganapin.
Maiba. Kaya.
Oh, Gigi, you're the
Okay, all of us.
Gana.
Daddy. Maiba. Taya.
Si Mochi nakikipaglaro ng maibataya sa kanyang tatay Vic Soto. Gustong-gusto nga niya ang larong ito. Sanay na sanay nga sa galahan nitong si Mochi. Maraming energy kapag may bagong places na nakikita. Kaya masaya nga siya isama sa mga travel.
Won't you got the hard to handle? You make me feel
Ay, sabay ka ba? Uy, may shop ako dito.
Si Pauline Luna sobrang excited sa travel nila at binidyo lahat ng kasama habang siya ay gumagawa ng background song. Dito pa nga lang sa airport ay sobrang saya na nila. Sila talaga ang mga travel buddies ang paboritong kasama. Si Danica Soto kasama ang isang anak na si John Lu.
Hi. Hello. How are you? Oh, is it boarding? I mean, nice to see you. Bye.
Nakakatuwa nga ang video nila sa airport. Organizer pala si Pauline Luna at ang boss naman ay si Bossing. Si Danica ang life of the party. Si Nina naman ang planner. Ganito magkaka-close ang Soto family basta mag-travel sila ang magkakasama at magkakatropa. Nakakatuwa nga ang Soto family, ganito ka-close ang kanilang family. Isang aya lang ay go na agad sila. Madaling ang ayain kapag may travel.
But everybody muna tayo kasi nagpa-tuwa.
Ang pretty nga ng birthday celebrant na si Nella sa kanyang 7th birthday ni-request na makasama ang mga besties niya dito sa Disneyland. Kaya ang mga parents nagplano. Si Natalie, Mochi, Jean-Luc at mga anak ni na Joy Soto. Sabi ni Pauline Luna sa caption, "Back from a fun-filled trip for Nella's 7th birthday bash. The birthday girl wanted to celebrate her birthday in Disneyland with her bestest friends, and we are so happy it happened. Seeing the kids build good, meaningful, and fun memories is priceless. After all, they are family and we pray that they will always hold these memories till they grow old. We barely took photos for the adults. This trip is all about Nella and her cousins. Kudos to the parents for making this happen, for all the effort and the sacrifices just to make these children happy. And truth be told, this trip is so hard to beat. We love you, Nelly. Happiest birthday to you." Sumagot nga ang ina ni Nelly. Sabi dito, "Nakakaiyak naman ito. Both sentimental and happy tears. So blessed to see them happy and growing together. Love and joy all around. Thank you, Mapos." Iba rin talaga ang effort ng mga magulang ganito kapag magkaka-close. Kapag may request ang anak, ay lahat kasama.
Doon sa airport na gusto mo.
back from here, yeah. We'll do it 2 times. Oh, yeah. Wait, I'll put the mirror here. And you know, you clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, and your face will surely show. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Hey, face. Your daughter. If you're happy and you know it, blow some bubbles. Extend your arms over the head. If you're happy and you know it, blow some bubbles. If you're happy and you know it, and your face will surely show. If you're happy and you know it, blow some bubbles. Okay, face the center. Let her sit on your knee. If you're happy and you know it, shake your hands. Shake your hands. If you're happy and you know it, shake your hands. Shake your hands. If you're happy and you know it, and your face will surely show. If you're happy and you know it, shake your hands. Shake your hands. If you're happy and you know it, kick your feet.
Si Paul and Luna ay pinag-swimming lesson din ng anak na si Mochi sa bahay nila. Dalawang nga ang trainer at magaling magturo. Natuto agad si Mochi sa day 1 pa lang ng lesson. Magaling ang teknik kung magturo. Nasasanay nga agad si Mochi katulad ng kanyang ate Tali. Mayroong mga toys, gamit, ang kinuhang trainer ni Napoleon Luna. Ang galing ni Mochi talaga nakikinig. Madali nga siyang matuto.
Yeah, okay, let's go this way. And we're up, walk backwards. And we're flying on an airplane, looking at the window, watching the clouds go by. Kick, kick, kick. Flying on an airplane, looking at the window, up so very high. Kick, kick, kick. Flying on an airplane, looking at the window, watching the clouds go by. Kick, kick, kick. Flying on an airplane, looking at the window, up so very high. Bye bye, Noodle. Bye bye.